It's time for another cool tools review. Last week, I showed you guys this right angle adapter for a power drill. This week, I'm going to show you the hand-powered alternative. This is the Neiko mini ratcheting screwdriver. I bought this years ago for about $9. Sometimes, no matter how short and stubby your screwdriver is, it just can't get at an awkwardly placed screw. Doorknob screws are a perfect example, and I think I originally bought this driver just to tighten one up. Sometimes the screw is hard to get by design, and sometimes it's just furniture that's up against a wall or too close to the ground to get a conventional screwdriver in there without it being a pain. This ratcheting right angle screwdriver has come in handy a bunch of times for me over the years, getting into tight spots. It takes any standard 1/4 inch bit and comes with 7 of them in a little holder. The bit pops right into one side and is held in place with a little tension spring inside the socket. Underneath the socket, you have this lever that changes the direction of the ratchet mechanism, making it easy to screw or unscrew things. That's really all there is to it. It's a pretty simple tool with a smart design. It's a great screwdriver in general, even if a regular screwdriver will do. The lever produces more torque than you'd think, and the flat, compact shape makes it easy to carry around in your pocket. Also, unlike a regular screwdriver, the flat sides are easy to scratch or write your name on, making it less likely to disappear on you. That's the Neiko mini ratcheting screwdriver. You can get it on Amazon for $9 using the link in the description. And remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.